Hello and welcome to Chin Man Shoots. Today I have an unboxing of the VFC BCM MCMR gas blowback airsoft 6mm projectile firing gun. Yeah, so this is obviously for airsoft. It says right there. So please don't ban this for whatever reason on whatever platform. Anyway, we're going to open this up. I haven't opened or seen this. It was just for sale on JD Airsoft, so I saw it and wanted it, and here it is. Right, okay. So that is what you get in here. I see a gun, I don't see a magazine. And because this is gas blowback, the magazine is probably going to be essential. Don't tell instructions manuals, and I bet it's in here. I bet it's in here, isn't it? Yeah, it feels like it's going to be in there. This comes with a speed loader, nice, manual, safety stuff. Again, 6mm airsoft, gas blowback rifle. There's the magazine. Anything else? No. That's quite nice, actually. Quite a nice box. I've got it there. What's those attachments? Just some M-lock. That's nice. Right, I need to go get a fucking knife. I'm glad this did actually come with a magazine, because I've been looking for magazines for this and you can't buy any in the UK, at least at the moment. It's really quite frustrating because these are only 30 rounds. Gas up there. Nice. So if I do take this out, it'd just be for a laugh, because I obviously cannot... Well, I could reload on the fly, I guess. But then you're running around with the speed loader, rattling around, telling everyone where you are. To be fair, I am shit at airsoft, so I don't think it matters if they know where I am. Let's have a look at the rifle itself. Oh, well packaged. I don't think Crytac are normally one of the best for packaging. I think this is better. I know people out there hate VFC for whatever reason. Just get over it. Wow, that's lovely. That's rubberized. I didn't know it was rubberized. It's light as well. It feels really, although I think mine's come broken straight out of the box. It won't go over to safe. Is that because it's not cocked? Oh yes! Oh, that's fantastic. Fire. Wow, that's, when I pulled that trigger, that firing hammer was pretty, what's the word I'm looking for? Noticeable, like it kicked forwards from it. I'm going to try that one more time. Yeah, that's really nice. Let's see if it's... No, there's nothing. I was hoping that maybe the port there would stay open and that's what's causing the shock forwards, because it is a blowback. But no. Wow, this is nice. This is really nice. So I'm making sure it's safe, no BBs. I don't know if it's gas, I doubt it. Pretty good little... Oh my god, that's cool. Interesting. Oh yeah, oh, this is brilliant. You've got to be really firm with that magazine, seeing that magazine here. Oh, that is fucking cool. Oh, I cannot wait to get more magazines for this and run that. So that's my first opening impressions. It's all metal, I think. Feels like it. It's lovely though. it genuinely is nice to hold. What's in there? Looks like if I squeeze that, it'll pop out, but it's not popping out. I'll investigate that further. So it's just nothing in there. It's just some storage space for whatever. Like 20 BBs. Bit of, I don't know, tools. Didn't come with any tools, did it? No, definitely not. But I mean, this is fucking beautiful. I cannot wait to run this. Anyway, that's been an unboxing of the Wenger Force Company, or VFC BCM MCMR 6mm GBBR in all its glory. And it's fucking fantastic. A full review of me using this will be up eventually, I guess, because I'm definitely going to want to use. What's this here? Compartment again? Oh no, that's to move the buttstock out. Idiot. So yeah. So on me looking like a fucking moron, I will end this first impressions video. Remind me never to do one again. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.